If you've been studying French for months, maybe even years, and real conversations still feel impossible to follow, that's not because you're bad at French. To be honest, no one is bad at languages. Most people just never learn with the right method. And the problem with understanding native speakers isn't that French is too fast. It's simply this: your ears were never trained for the way French is actually spoken. That's exactly why I created my free French listening challenges. And on Monday, a brand new 7-day challenge is starting. In 1 week, you won't just listen more. You'll finally train your ears in a way that actually works. You'll stop grabbing random words and start catching real meaning. You'll stop relying on subtitles and actually understand what people are saying. You'll stop panicking in conversations and start feeling calm and confident even when French is spoken fast. Will you understand everything in 7 days? No, I won't lie to you. But in 7 days, you will feel a shift. You'll go from I will never understand spoken French to okay, I'm finally making progress. This is possible. I can do this. And that's exactly what this challenge is designed to do. Show you that understanding spoken French isn't out of reach, and show you how quickly things can change when you train your ears the right way. Most learners want to understand French fast. They really do. But the truth is, most of them aren't using a method that actually helps them get there. They listen to slow French or easy French. They turn on subtitles. And they hope that if they just keep exposing themselves to the language, one day real spoken French will suddenly click. If that really worked, you probably wouldn't be here. Here's the truth. To understand real French, the way native speakers talk in everyday life, you need focused training. That's what I spent the last year creating and refining. I've tested this method with real learners again and again, improving it each time, always with the same goal: training your brain to decode spoken French and helping you make progress much faster than you expect. And if you're wondering, will this work for me? I get it. A lot of learners ask that at the beginning. But over the past year, I've helped thousands of learners, all different levels, finally understand real spoken French. Even people who thought they never would after years of studying or even years of living in France. You can read their success stories on my website. All of them started exactly where you are now: unsure, frustrated, overwhelmed, and honestly, a bit burned by methods that promised results but didn't deliver. And they now understand far more than they ever thought they could. So, how does the challenge work? Every day you will listen to one short French conversation without knowing the context at first, and follow my proven step-by-step method. Each day also comes with a PDF that includes the step-by-step exercises, cheat sheets when needed, transcripts and translations, fast French breakdowns to help you catch tricky words and phrases, and a progress and mistake tracker so you can measure your improvement, spot your weak points, and learn from your mistakes. Your job is simple: show up, follow the method exactly. Every step matters, and do your best. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. And the best part? It's completely free, right here on YouTube. The challenge starts on December 15. All you have to do is subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. And if you want even more support, you can join the waitlist. What's the difference? On the waitlist, you'll get exclusive bonuses, a deep explanation of why each step of the method matters, tips on how to use the PDFs and cheat sheets for maximum results, and daily email reminders with the PDF and video link straight to your inbox during the challenge. You don't have to join the waitlist to follow the free challenge, but if you want the best possible results in 7 days, I strongly recommend it. This challenge is perfect for you if you know French words on paper but can't catch them when people speak. Native speakers sound too fast for you to follow. You've tried podcasts, videos, apps, and nothing has worked. If you've ever thought, maybe I'm just not someone who can understand spoken French, this challenge is your answer. You are. You just haven't trained your ears the right way yet. 1 week from now, you'll either be in the exact same place or you'll already have started training your ears. And future you will feel one of two things. I wish I'd started, or I'm so glad I did. So don't wait, subscribe, turn on notifications, join the waitlist for your bonuses, and get ready to finally fix your French listening struggles, one training day at a time. We start on December 15. I'll see you then.